Apple has finally released the MagSafe power bank for the iPhone 12 series, and I have it right here in front of me. If you order it through apple.com, this is how the packaging is going to look like. This is going to run you $100, $9.99, and let's open up this bad boy. And okay, inside the box, you just have the power bank or the battery pack. This is quite a big box to be a small little power bank, but I digress. Okay. And here's how it looks. You only have one color, which is white. And taking a look at the back, you just have iPhone battery pack, and it's available in different languages. Now, unfortunately, you don't have any Apple stickers, no lightning cable, or even power adapter to charge this thing up. Let's take a look at this MagSafe here. Okay, pretty straightforward. You have your Apple logo, nothing on the side, and you have your MagSafe connector. Very smooth finish on the back, and you have this hard plastic kind of feeling. Your indicator light is on the bottom, lightning port. It would have been really cool to see Type-C. Imagine Apple put Type-C on here. That's basically adding Type-C to the iPhone. Installation is very straightforward. You just attach it on the back of your iPhone, and then it's going to start charging up. Well, it should start charging up. It's not charging, guys. So I think this battery pack could be dead. Let's charge this thing up and see what's going on. Since I'm having some technical difficulties with that, I may as well take a look at these Spigen products. Now, they did send this out to me, not sponsored or anything, but it just came at a perfect time. Okay, so this small little adapter, this is a 20-watt power adapter. You could never have too many of these power adapters, trust me. So why not pick up a couple? I'll throw a link in the description. Now, this one is a 30-watt power adapter, but you have two Type-C outputs to charge in two devices. And then last but not least, we have the MagSafe, and it works the same way as the official Apple MagSafe. Comparing that to the official MagSafe that I have here, this is like on. I can hang this, but the Spigen one, not so confident of like hanging it from the side like that. It's just gonna come right off. Can't even hang it. So the magnetic is stronger on Apple's one than the Spigen one, but hey, it's a lot cheaper though, I can tell you that. So you can get it right now for $25. Okay, take my power adapter, plug it up, and see what's going on. All right, yeah, and it is charging. So you see that little amber light? That's indicating that it is charging. So the battery pack must be dead. So when you get yours, potentially the power pack should be dead, or it could be dead. And it is charging my iPhone. It's using pass-through charging, which is pretty cool. So if I unplug it, oh, when I unplug it, now it works. Well, yeah, there we go. Now it works. So when this is dead and you have this attached on your back of your iPhone, it's still going to charge. Now, iOS 14.7 is available. So it's going to include the support for MagSafe Battery Pack and the shared card limits for Apple Card and other improvements. So I'm going to actually update right now. Okay, so I just updated my phone to iOS 14.7. So now we have the support for the battery pack, MagSafe Battery Pack. So now when you put it on, you can see the widget. You have the icon of the battery pack, and you can see the lightning bolt on top of it, as well as the iPhone is charging. As I was updating, I was also charging up the battery pack too. So we could disconnect this, and now we can rock out, charging the iPhone. Yep, there it goes. So it's charging the iPhone, and you should get the same exact MagSafe animation. Oh, we have a message here. What it says? Oh, there goes the Max. Oh, there I go. Whoa, that just threw me off. It says iPhone can charge to approximately 90% while using a MagSafe battery pack. So you can only charge up to 90% to preserve the battery health of your iPhone. Okay, so we have that green light right there. Now, it is a significant amount of thickness to your iPhone. So what about the iPhone 11 series? Now, unfortunately, it's not going to work. You could be able to wirelessly charge, but it's not going to magnetically stay on properly. So just keep that in mind. This is how it's going to look if you have the mini. So it kind of fits perfect. It fits perfect, actually. So if you have a mini, this is how exactly it's going to look. Okay, we saw how it looked on the standard 12 Pro, the same size as the 12. And then we have the 12 Pro Max. So 12 Pro Max is going to be, it's going to feel a little awkward. And it's pretty insane how if you have a Pataka mag case, this is going to work on your iPhone 11. See, it stays. Now, it's not as good as the official MagSafe, but you can get away with it though. And yes, you can use your case right through it, and it's going to work just fine. You cannot use your MagSafe right on the back of the power bank. This would have been nice. So if you want to charge everything, you just slap it on the MagSafe. I feel like that was a missed opportunity there, and they could have probably made it a little thicker to accomplish that. Now, here's something that Apple didn't tell you. You can wirelessly charge your AirPods case using the MagSafe power bank. And yeah, all you do is just put it right there on the top and you're good. That's it. Now, before I get into that, the official MagSafe power bank is 1460 milliamps, while the Anker is 5000 milliamps, and this is 10,000 milliamps. All right, so both of these comes with the cable to charge this up. And on the back, you have that lightning bolt. Now, this looks a little bit like Apple, but obviously the Apple one has that Apple logo. That button there you have to press, so you got to make sure that's on. But it goes right on the back and to charge up your phone. Same exact idea, but you're getting 5000 milliamps. And the magnetic is not as strong. I was kind of disappointed to see how this one isn't as strong as I like it to. It's stronger, but it's not as strong as I was hoping. The only thing is, it's Type-C and Lightning, and you will have to charge up this separately. While on the official one, you just charge everything one time and that's it. So now 8am Tech, this one has 10,000 milliamps, and it goes on the back of your iPhone. Like, this is this is so thick. And you gotta make sure it's on. Okay, so you're getting full battery life. Okay, and it's charging my phone right up. Now, of course, you're not getting the fancy animation, nothing like that. You got LED lights in the front. Now, in terms of the charging speeds, the official Apple MagSafe power bank can only support up to 5 watts. That's kind of unfortunate. I thought it would be faster charging. Now, these two is kind of like the same story, but I like the fact how you can utilize the Type-C to charge other devices. But essentially, it's just wireless charging with a magnetic on the back. The Anker can only support up to 5 watts, same thing like the Apple one. This one here is a totally different story. 10,000 milliamps, support up to 5 watts, but you also have 7.5 watts, 10 watts, 15 watts. I'm not sure what that means. I think that varies on your plug that you go with. So if you go with the 20 watt power adapter, you're utilizing the maximum speeds. But hey, tomato, no matter which one you go with, these are going to definitely help you out in the long run. The Apple one is just more flashier because it's official Apple. It goes alongside with your iPhone. You have that fancy animation there. And also it charges the MagSafe power bank too at the same time as your iPhone. And you can't even charge your AirPods on these third-party guys here. So as much as I look for the sweet spot, it is not charging my AirPods whatsoever. And same thing here, just nothing. But on the official Apple one, yep, it's charging right up. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. I'll throw a link in the description to everything that I mentioned. That's the official MagSafe power battery for your iPhone 12 series. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think. Drop a like on this video if you guys did find this one helpful. And make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on for more videos like this. Until next time guys, have a simple day.